I live in the UK. VWT2 rear brakes early bay, so with the sealed hub type. So I've adjusted the brakes and it slipped off, and obviously I've undid the 46mm castle nut, took the split pin out. So my problem is at the moment it's two things. This is moving, the handbrake cable in here is moving, and it's making the, it's not, no sorry, that's not the right way of putting it. It's not releasing properly. So I think the repair I did on the conduit, there's a problem, but I did want to just check that I've seated this bar properly. See how it works. So basically when you do this and when you pull it, but the other thing I was wondering is, because it was, when I took it for a drive, everything went red hot. Literally this was so hot you couldn't touch it, and the hubcap, I want to know that this isn't seizing when I pull the brakes. I have a replacement, so I thought, well, do you know what, for the sake of one bolt I'll swap it and I'll give it a clean as well, just in case this is seizing. Because what's happening is I'm going for a drive, after a few minutes of braking it all starts getting red hot. So it's either two things, either this is not, when I let go of the handbrake, is not releasing properly, so it's keeping it slightly pulled. It's very possible. You see where it's gone all smooth, where it was rubbing on both sides, or this is jamming. I was thinking, oh, the brakes, oh, it could be bleeding. And the last thing was, oh, I over adjusted it, so the brakes were just binding anyway. And the conduit repair that I'm going to do is, because I had to shorten this conduit when I did a repair, and I'm thinking that if I make a little tube on this section here that makes sure that this is fully seated, and I thought, so there's no movement whether I pull the handbrake on or off. Yeah, I've got a bit of aluminium tube, and then I thought the way of making it stay in place was using a Jubilee clip. This is what I've got in mind. So there we are. So it all looks very nice and tidy underneath here. So that's my day. I've got to go camping tomorrow, so I've got to fix it.